How you doing, folks? Rich Cassidy here with a brand new episode of Secret of the Booze. Now, despite being named after a whimsical woodwind instrument, Piccolo is quite the badass, and he has one of the coolest attacks on the show in the Special Beam Cannon! But the one thing I have to say, at least his can hit as opposed to Krillin's Destructo Disc. That kid has missed it more times than I care to count. Krillin, we love you. Get it one day. So we decided to continue the trend in making Dragon Ball Z cocktails honoring the specialty attacks that they have. So what goes into the Special Beam Cannon? First, you're going to need some Jim Beam. Get it? Get it? I suck. Half a glass. Next, you're going to put in a quarter of a shot of triple sec. Then you're going to put in a quarter of a shot of vodka. And then finally, you're going to put in some sweetened lime juice. And there you have it, folks, the Piccolo Special Beam Cannon. Now remember, when you're drinking this, to always remember the one thing Piccolo always taught Gohan, and that's to dodge the hangover. This is Secret of the Booze. See you next round. This one's on us.
Thank you for watching Secret of the Booze. Be sure to subscribe and watch past episodes. As always, if you have a geeky cocktail, let us know in the comments below.